Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jeff here from Stuff I Made. I'm back in the workshop. I'm going to tell you about what I'm going to be doing in here. So it's been about 4 years since I've posted a video, and just to let you know, I will be now posting videos again for Stuff I Made. What I'll do is I'll quickly show you why. Well, I suppose why I stopped really, because my workshop has grown into a mess, organically adding things everywhere, giving little space, I suppose, for a tripod or a camera, and that made it very difficult to produce videos. So I have been making stuff, but just not videos. So what I'm going to be doing is I will be upgrading the ceiling, so it's a proper ceiling with no dust and clutter in there, with lights and panels and stuff. The walls will get clad properly. The electrics will get redone, and the flooring is going to get replaced. So this type of flooring, I thought it was great, but it kind of buckles when you wheel casters and the like over heavy things. So this is getting replaced with the Duramat product, which is, I believe, what Keith Brown from Rag and Bone Brown used. So that's going to get changed this week. But in order to do all of this, actually, before I tell you that room there is my metalworking shop, and this wall is going to come back and give some more space in there, and you'll see why if I just pop in. It's all a bit cramped in here, but there's a metal welding table there, the SM72 belt grinder there, and my bench grinder from Multi-Tool Products, great company, shout out there. Some storage up here, but it's all a bit cramped, as you can see, so a bit more space in there. In order to do all of this, I've got to move all of this stuff out of here, or a lot of it out of here, so I can tackle some of these projects. I'm going to be storing it in this single car tent, carport I suppose. It's a bit dark in there, but if I can try and show you in there, it'll all be in there for a period of time. So if you're interested in coming along on this journey with me, drop a like, a subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, because I'll be posting updates there. And yeah, watch this space. See you soon.